Hello everyone! We've launched a special campaign for this exchange where you can get VIP 3 status along with a 10% deposit bonus. Before getting started, make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss any important steps. Here's how the campaign works. If you sign up using the link in the caption or the description, your account will be upgraded to VIP 3 within about 30 minutes. With VIP 3 status, you'll enjoy lower trading fees. While the difference may seem small at first, it can significantly reduce your trading costs over time if you're an active trader.
As you can see, the standard futures trading fee is 0.048%. Once your account is upgraded to VIP 3, it drops to only 0.035%. That's a significant reduction, especially for active traders. In fact, I believe it's even lower than Binance's futures trading fee.
If you only want to activate VIP 3, you don't need to use the campaign link. Simply register directly on the exchange and enter the invitation code PGDOWI in uppercase during sign-up. However, if you want to receive both VIP 3 and the 10% bonus, you must register through the campaign link provided in the description. Important: after opening the link, you should see an English page similar to the one shown in this video. If the page appears blank, black, or doesn't load properly, simply close it and open the link again.
If it still doesn't work, you can use the alternative method by registering directly on the exchange and entering the invitation code PGDOWI in uppercase. This will activate your VIP 3 status, although the campaign bonus requires registration through the campaign link. After registering through the campaign link, if you deposit more than $200, you'll receive a 10% bonus based on your deposit amount. All campaign terms, conditions, and details are available on the registration banner that appears after opening the campaign link. If you'd like to trade with lower fees and take advantage of this limited time bonus, simply register using the link in the description and follow the steps shown in this video.